Hey guys, it's me Karen, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. How to keep your slime moist for the galaxy slime. You can't really see it, but I put a little bit of pink, but the blue stretched out more to make it a little lighter. So, this is all I'm going to do is take it and you just put it in here until you're going to need water. You need water, liquid starch, and an empty cup to put this in. So I'm just gonna put it in. I put it in my empty cup, and then now I'm gonna pour some water inside, and I'm pouring my liquid starch to keep it a little soft because it got thick. So I'm gonna use the top of my spoon and just stick it inside. And keep adding it to make it thin for your slime. And I kept adding it and putting a little teaspoon of it inside to mix it with that mixture. So look like that. And then dump it and then keep just poking it inside. And that's how you make slime. Bye. And you're going to leave it alone for an hour. And then you take it out and then you start playing with it, but you have to keep it dry. But don't put nothing on it. Leave it out. Keep it dry for about a minute and then it'll work. So as you start to take it out and start to fill it. And it stretches more than putty every day. And if it keeps getting hard every day, just keep doing this every day. And if you don't want to keep doing it, then guess what? You just put one of these waters or liquid starch up in there, and baby, it will work. But I like to go with liquid starch because liquid starch makes everything thin and soft. So yeah, do what you gotta do. Bye.